Oh yes. Hi guys. Poundland glider. It's a bit windy, but it's not raining at the moment. Looking up at the clouds, it is due to rain any time. So we're going to give it a quick try here. It's got no turn trimmed into it, so I'm just hoping it'll go relatively straight. That is a bit windy, so I think it's going to climb and stall. Oh, that is a bit too windy. We'll go for it. It tried. It really tried. Rubber band's a bit loose, so it slips off the hook. What we really want is a loop on it and a winder, so we can get some decent winds on there. Oh, done it again. I'm trying to rush things. Always a problem when you're rushing. You start waffling to yourself. Right, I'll go again. Okay. Give it a go with the wind behind us. Oh yes. A little bit of wind assistance, and we did all right. I think that's the best I've seen one of these gliders fly. Oh dear. Right, we'll go that way. Wind's there. Wind's picked up. Alright, I'll go for it. Oh well. That rather ended that then. That's a shame. I've actually broken the rubber band propeller assembly. It had got a white crack on it before we started, so that's obviously the weak point. Never mind. We got some sort of flight out of it, didn't we? And that's a nice bit of hobby grade rubber I've got there, which we should be able to use again. So if I hold it there, I'll class that as a success.